What makes this branded folding glass a unique product? Design. The design is unique because a magnet holds the stem and the glass together. Therefore, it's easy to position the glass without having to screw in. Colors. The stem glasses come in different colors. The standard colors are black, white, red, green, or you may have a transparent option, but you may also use your preferred colors. Quality. The material is plastic, which is usually considered affordable, but we are using a premium, food-grade PCTG. It is sturdy and thick, which delivers a high-end perception of the product. Great for branding. This foldable wine glass has a great amount of surface area to brand. Also, the wine glass carrier can also be customized. Wine companies can put their custom corporate brand on the sides of the glass and carrier, making it the best giveaway to your most loyal customers. So if you are interested to know more about this promotional item, please feel free to contact us anytime. Have a great day and see you next time.